stopped by Napa Auto Parts to get a new battery. For whatever reason, there's some power that was being drawn on this unit. Bolt this stuff down and we're gonna get on the road after being late for about 2 hours. We were supposed to be only 2 hours away from Bodega Bay, and now we're 4 hours and 20 minutes away.
Did it come on?
Did.
Oh, praise God. Yeah! We thought the trip was done. I'm so proud of Daddy. He's learning all about RV.
We're now actually officially starting our 10-day journey, ladies and gentlemen, to Des Moines, Washington. Who's excited for Des Moines, Washington?
Lexi is!
And we're taking our dog for the first time.
And against Dad's wishes, we are taking the dog. Not gonna lie, it is very weird to have a dog in this car. It's even more weird when you're driving and you feel something furry underneath your feet.
Dog officially got up once now. Back there on my mom and dad's bed. Not good, on duty. Not good.
Yep. Yep, got it. Got it. We are leaving the Bodega Bay RV Park and we are going right down the street to Candy and Kites, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be an experience with that one over there. That is Miss Peyton Reed.
I'm not going for the kites, I'm going for the candy.
Are you serious?
Maybe pick your favorite candy that they have.
No one loves saltwater taffy more than this guy. If there's ever a store to visit at Bodega Bay, this is the one. You can't miss it. Pink and white. It's beautiful. Right, total success in the candy store, actually known as the Taffy Shop. Called the Taffy Shop right there, that's right.
And
saltwater taffy and
rings. I
Miss
got
Peyton,
2 rings.
Miss Peyton got 2 rings. $4 each, a bargain on her side. Dad had to fork over the money. Miss Peyton owes me $8. Pay up, sister. Stopped here, the Legend of Bigfoot. Very cool spot off the 101, about 1 hour from Eureka. We got this massive totem pole behind me, but even more so, look at this gigantic bear. Like huge. We got my man, Totem, over here. He's very serious. He actually doesn't like any of my jokes. They have a walk that's right behind me that goes all the way up here. They call that the Bigfoot Trail. And you actually get to go up and circle around and learn all about that dude back in the day. Well, according to them, he's still in these mountains. So we're gonna head back to the RV, make sure he doesn't eat our dog.
Yeah, and boom!
Day 3 of the road trip. We are headed to Crescent City for the Big Redwood State Park. It is probably going to rain on us. I did not bring a jacket or any rain gear. We just pulled over right now at the entrance to Redwood State Park. Sending the kids out there in the ocean with the dog, and Mom is in the RV getting dressed and ready for these cold weather.
Daddy, look at what I got. I got these cool rocks. Isn't that cool?
getting ready to go on my little morning run. It's about 7:22 in the morning, 7:25, and we're staying at this awesome place called the Oceanside RV Park. And just over my shoulder right there is the beach access. And about 10 yards past that point right there is the beach. It's just outside of Coos Bay. We're going to make our way to Tillamook, get some fantastic ice cream. We were excited for the cheese tour, no longer giving self-guided tours under COVID, but they do have their amazing menu slash restaurant open and a full service of ice cream and cheese.
Just got out of the Tillamook factory. We buy all Tillamook cheese, so we were very excited to come here and check it out.
Chocolate fudge.
He was eating it so quickly he broke his spoon.
And also, we were.
She's a naughty dog. We just stopped for dinner. We're staying in Canyon Beach and we're stopping at Moe's for seafood. This place was recommended to us by some friends to have the best seafood in town. We're gonna go check it out.
This chicken is the best chicken ever. And wait, what's this place called again?
Moe's.
Moe's. And the clam chowder, not the best, but I would eat it on certain days. And the french fries, I mean, like, who doesn't like french fries? Go up, now go wave, and then push up and go like that. And then go boom and squiggle down.
Morning joys of cleaning up. As you can see, no one helps me clean up. It's just by myself. Boom. The most important thing you can do, flush out your system. Everyone loves the poopatron, as I call it. The family fun. Quick little stop at the Goonies house. They have a big sign posted right over there that says that you cannot take photo or video or go up that little road. So being respectful, I came to the intersection to say that we did it.
I can't wait to see my cousin Buster.
We have some adventures getting here to Kent, Washington. We are now going to explore all the great things here and around the Des Moines, Tacoma, and enjoy Thanksgiving with the family. To be continued.